This is the 2011 Fattoria La Magia from Brunello di Montalcino in Tuscany, Italy. Brunello di Montalcino is the most important region in Tuscany for its showcase grape, Sangiovese. If you're familiar with Tuscan Sangiovese like Chianti, consider this a little bit more amped up in every way, in flavor intensity, ripeness, structure, and ageability. So there's a lot of opportunities to cellar this wine as well. This is a hallmark Brunello, so you're getting ripe, wild forest fruit character. It's sort of a dry, earthy minerality, a rustic character, and a little bit of a woodsy spice to this wine. It's that broad earthiness that makes Brunello such a natural pairing with game. So venison or wild boar braises are a natural pairing. But if you're cooking at home, consider pork braised in tomato, grilled portobello mushrooms, or grilled T-bone steaks, which are a classic hallmark pairing with Brunello in Tuscany. Cheers.